Hello there again, folks. This is a Tuesday update. These are garage doors we've done with a bit of blow with the wall because it's no square, but we've overcame it, we've managed to overcome it. These are our garage doors, you can see there, the lock and everything. This is an anti-theft thing, so the folk can't get through. Right, this is what we do. Darren Stewart up there in Lanark. Darren, this is what you're getting. You're getting that colour there too, right? Then we've got the coach box through there, anti-theft. We've got the structural screws through there. So you see this here, right? What's that? Right. So what we've done with these ones, I'm glad I done this video. There's my hammer. There's my hammer. And then this comes here and it just sits here. That's just to hold it really, right? So that's it, these garage doors. Made the frame, we put the frame in here and we sat them in, then we sat the gates in. It's as simple as that. These are real garage doors. These are no pantomime garage doors. That's a good one. These are not pantomime garage doors. These are the real McCoy. You want wooden garage doors, come to me, the mighty WSH fencing. And before I go, Darren Stewart, it's Darren Stewart and Lan, I've mentioned Darren. Jack Perry, I hope your eyes okay. His left eye was no well this morning, so I don't know what's happened. I was in there this morning seeing Jack at one of my suppliers and he was fair no well. He was going that way to eye. So there you go, Jack Perry, hope your eyes alright. If no, I'll bring you a patch for my pirate suit tomorrow for you. Okay, see you all later folks, and remember, oh by the way, see the boy I've got to get my driving licence. You'll not believe what they're trying to say I am. I think I'm from another planet, they're treating me as if I don't exist. Imagine me not existing. See you all later folks, and hopefully we'll get the new passport photo in with my driving licence, you all see it. Bye bye.